Good morning, Calgary. Shower. Beautiful sky. Yeah, you guys got to see this Canada Olympic Park and the view of the mountains. So today, guys, I'm rocking my GoPro because my phone is charging, and I'm about to head out to a appointment in Elbow Valley. So I'm going to take you guys on a little drive. I sent Jeffy on this drive when he was here in October, I think it was. It's going to be down the 1A to Cochrane, and it's the most beautiful drive ever. So yeah, this is the old road. This is the old highway. The main highway always is just chock full of people, and I don't really like taking it. I'd rather the slow route in most cases anyway. Anytime that I go west, I always take the Highway 3, which is Crow's Nest, going through all the south route and stuff like that. So way better. Like. Guys, this is sometimes where I like to park when I come out to Rob's here. There's a little park here, and yeah, it's a beautiful little spot. Good morning.
Hey, I heard the outside beeper.
That was my camera.
you want to plug in? May as well if it's just sitting around.
I did pop the hood. Let me get right. I was thinking I was in the sun. Broke.
Oh, you're filming there?
Yeah. And then I can see us, and we can just go hi. Okay guys, here I am back at Rob's. I went for a little drive there to show you guys the little 1A. It was super nice. It's about 12 degrees today, Celsius. And we're back here, and I'll give you a little show of what we're gonna do today. I don't know if these are really gonna show up, but yeah, these are the rock chips that we like to eliminate. You can see how bad these ones are. And we're gonna come and we're gonna fill all these in. Now, unfortunately, you can see that he did have a repair here on this side, and you can always tell if you just look for the light. You can see that little orange peel. That's not factory, and you can see where they actually went over the rock chips with clear coat, which is not cool. Well, we'll take care of that, and then we've got something going on here with the headlights. I think it's what happens when the cord dangling. You can see in one of my previous videos, I did all my battery setup, and I made sure that cord goes through the firewall and back, and everything plugs in from over there to prevent that from happening. A lot of people put their cords out, let it dangle, but it mars your paint, mars your headlights and the bumper and everything there. So again, if you can, tuck it in, put it away, and prevent all this stuff from prevent me from coming to your house to fix it. So you can see that this is pretty good. We're also going to take off these decals here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So full polish. You can see it's already quite clean. We're going to do a full polish, full paint touch-up. We've got some stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. And we're going to fix the mirror today. So it might have blew off in the wind or something like that, but we're going to get him a mirror. I just found that out today when I got here, so we're going to see what the price is, get that ordered. And this is also some of the, see that brow? So here we are, guys. It is, I think it's about 8 p.m. and it's pretty late. I've been here pretty much for the last 6 or 8 hours. He did feed me. We had pizza and a pop. So it did take a little bit of a break. But I'll give you guys the final little go here on what I've been doing and how it looks now. And it came out quite well. The only thing we didn't get was that mirror. We did call. It's coming from Edmonton tomorrow. So I'll have to make another trip out here. It's all good. I'll come out and have a beer before I go anyway. So win-win. So yeah, here we'll give you a quick little shot of touch-ups. I'll have one of the before up in the top corner there. There's the headlight. I'll show you the before of that. And see how nicely those touch-ups came out. And it's literally just, when I do those touch-ups, it does take a little bit of take a little bit of effort and a little while, but this is the paintbrush that I use. All you got to do is just be patient, get your little paint in there, a little bit of hardener, a little bit of clear coat, and just dot in all those little chips. And once they're dotted in, you can see the finished product. Looks really nice. You can still see some of the texture on some of this stuff, but at least it's filled in with silver. And that's the brow. I will put a before up in the corner. And this is the, did these lenses too, just to clean them up. We just, remember we took the decal off there, cleaned everything up. There was a whole bunch of tire and stuff all along here. Clean that all up for them. A little bit of gun wash or paint thinner. Just rub that on lightly. Make sure you don't leave it on the surface too long. Again, it was pretty nice before, but look how nice it looks now. I even did the windows for them. We didn't get to that mirror. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So full polish, full paint touch-ups, the decals, and the headlights on this one. And you can see this looks really friggin' nice. Look at those touch-ups. They really made a difference for this one. And this is the original guy that I did those headlights on. Just an update for you guys. They are still nice and clear. Good to go. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys. It's been a long couple weeks. Thank you all for joining my live last week and responding. I've got tons of emails. My budget for what I wanted to have before I take off is accomplished. So thank you guys so much. I got all my appointments. I'm going to do another trip to Edmonton to visit my brother and my sister before I go, and to meet up with Alberta Schoolie Adventures. Go watch her channel. She's pretty cool. She's in a little schoolie. So go check that out, and I'll put that in the top corner. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.